Welcome! In today's video, we're going to walk you through the simple steps to lock your Facebook profile photo, ensuring that your picture remains private and secure. Privacy is essential in today's digital world, and controlling who sees your profile photo is a vital part of that. Let's get started. First, grab your Android device and open the Facebook app. Next, tap your profile picture located at the top left corner of your screen. This will take you directly to your profile page. Once you're there, tap on your profile picture again to view it in full. Now, you'll want to tap on See Your Profile Picture to open it up for the next step. At this point, look for the three dots at the top right corner of the screen and give that a tap. After that, you will see the option that says Edit Privacy. This is where the magic happens. Lastly, select Only Me to ensure that only you can view your profile picture. And there you have it. Your Facebook profile photo is now locked, giving you more control over your online presence. Remember, it's all about protecting your privacy and ensuring that you share your personal information on your own terms. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and updates.